In today's video, I'd like to discuss the benefits of maintaining a healthy body weight. And this is a topic that's very important to me. I mentioned it in a couple of my videos over the last few years. There was a time in my life a couple years ago where I was actually prescribed an antipsychotic known as olanzapine, which is really known for causing weight gain. And my weight skyrocketed up to 260 pounds or just over that. So I wanted to share some of the benefits to help motivate you if you're kind of on the cusp of, starting that weight loss journey. So let's dive into it. And I do want to mention before we get started into the facts about, physical health, disease prevention, stuff like that. Make sure you click the link in the description of this video if at all during this video you feel motivated, because all the tools and tips and tricks are all in that link in the description. So it's known that maintaining a healthy body weight decreases chronic disease and also improves physical and mental well-being. But in this video, the purpose is really to go point by point and really lay out all the benefits for each different subject. So first, we'll look at disease prevention. So maintaining that healthy body weight can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and it can also decrease your blood pressure. In some reports, it can decrease your blood pressure by up to 5% just by losing that weight and maintaining that healthy body weight. Another benefit is that it's shown to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, as well as if you already have non-insulin dependent diabetes, it can help manage that as well. Being at a healthy body weight can also reduce the risk of certain cancers, which is very big in today's world where it seems like everybody knows somebody that has had a battle with cancer. Achieving that healthy body weight can reduce the load or weight on your joints and bones, which could reduce the risk of osteoarthritis, and it can also help strengthen bones, which would reduce the risk of osteoporosis. And some other benefits would be reducing the risk of experiencing things like sleep apnea or gallbladder disease or even anemia. When it comes to physical and mental well-being, typically people notice higher energy levels, which kind of leads to an overall general sense of increased well-being. Generally, people notice an increase in sleep quality, especially by reducing things like sleep apnea, like we mentioned earlier. Optimization of the immune system actually sets in when you achieve that healthy body weight. This is kind of different from person to person, but some people do report that they have an increased self-esteem after achieving that healthy body weight, and other people notice a difference in their mood, a beneficial difference that is. Surprisingly, it's actually known to help reduce fertility risks. And lastly, it supports proper functioning of the digestive system. So now you may be thinking to yourself, this all sounds great. Clearly, achieving a healthy body weight does have its benefits. But how do I achieve this? We all know that some people can achieve this through diet and exercise, but there are other people that require more professional guidance. And that's where Mochi Health comes in. Mochi Health has a team of board-certified physicians and registered dietitians that can help you step by step along your weight loss journey. If after meeting with the Mochi team virtually or over the phone, you're deemed to be eligible, they can actually prescribe a medication to you to help you with your weight loss goals. Again, to supplement that diet and the exercise as well. And Mochi has the numbers to support and back up their method. Patients or clients who subscribe to the medication-assisted weight loss program seem to lose on average about 15% of their body weight, with some clients achieving even greater results. As a pharmacist myself, one thing that I really love about Mochi is that they don't just give these medications to anybody who joins the website. They really do ensure that you're eligible to receive the medication by going through, that conversation with the board-certified physicians to make sure that, like I said, the right people get the right medication at the right time. So like I mentioned at the start of this video, if you're feeling motivated to get started on your weight loss journey, check out the link in the description of this video, as it will have all the tools that you need to have a successful weight loss journey. All right, that's it for today's video. See you next time. Take care.